Our first stock to kick off the week is Bursa Dynamic, on which TA Research has maintained its buy call with a target price of 210. The stock last traded at 155, which means the research house sees a possible 35% upside. The rationale? Announced plans to raise up between 450 million ringgit to 580 million ringgit in fresh capital via private placement for partial debt repayment and working capital. It wants to settle about 200 million ringgit of debt, which is about 5% of total 3.35 billion ringgit in borrowings as at end 2019. This would mean net interest savings of 16.8 million ringgit per annum. The funds are to build its war chest ahead of its new mega 7.7 billion ringgit Abu Dhabi EPCC contract, which will run for 4 years. Management expects a 12 to 15% gross margin from the project, which translates to a generous third of gross profit contribution for FY19 or 289 million ringgit per annum. The placement will dilute EPS by 6% in FY20 to 21, but that is deemed reasonable considering the significant medium-term earnings expansion from the project. Net gearing would also improve to 0.57 times from 0.84 times. The placement would likely be to foreign shareholders as there has been pent-up demand. Current foreign shareholding is about 5%. Overall, the buy call is based on strong core MRO earnings, diversified client base, solid balance sheet, and current compelling near-through valuations. So what's the consensus? We've got 9 buys, 1 hold, and 1 sell. The average target price is 232 versus the current price of 155.